How to make images smaller in Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make images smaller in Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up squarespace.com and then you're going to log into your account. This is where you will get. You're going to select the website where you want to edit your images. I have selected this website. So here we have the edit option to edit the page. Then it will allow you to edit different things on your website. We can of course add different sections, and if you have already added some of the images, if you want to make them smaller, we can do that. You can see these images are pretty big, so I want to make this section very small. For that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the edit section, and then we have our gallery here. In our gallery, you will be able to see the aspect ratio here. What we can do is we can actually change our ratio from here so that our images become smaller. Now they're square right here, and we can also decrease the spacing between them a little bit so that our section becomes smaller. Similarly, when it comes to the image itself, for example, there is just like one image and you want to make it smaller, you're going to select the image like this one separately, click on edit image, and then you can of course select the image, for example this one, click on edit image, and you will be able to crop it within your Squarespace editor. You can see we have the crop option, and you can crop your image like this. Click on reset and the image will be cropped. Click on save. So this is how you crop an image within Squarespace. But to change the size overall, you will have to edit your section. So you will click on edit section, and then you can of course change your type as well, what kind of grid you want to go for, column and aspect ratio. This is how we edit our images using Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.